Hey there, restaurant owners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special lined up for all of you. We will be diving deep into the world of restaurant management software with Samba POS. If you're looking to streamline your restaurant operations and enhance customer experience, stay tuned as we explore the features and benefits of Samba POS. Samba POS is a powerful restaurant management software designed to revolutionize the way you run your restaurant. It offers a wide range of features and tools to make your operations more efficient and effective. The first thing you'll notice about Samba POS is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to use, making it suitable for both experienced restaurant owners and those new to the software. One of the standout features of Samba POS is its flexibility. You can customize the software to meet the specific needs of your restaurant, whether you're running a small cafe or a bustling fine dining establishment. With Samba POS, you can easily take and manage orders with just a few clicks. The software allows you to customize order types, handle special requests, and manage order timing to ensure a smooth dining experience. Samba POS simplifies table management, making it easy to track table availability, merge or split tables, and manage reservations. Say goodbye to messy table plans and hello to organized seating arrangements. Keeping track of your restaurant's inventory is crucial, and Samba POS has got you covered. From ingredient tracking to low stock alerts, you can efficiently manage your inventory and reduce waste. Efficiently managing your restaurant staff is vital for smooth operations. Samba POS offers features like shift scheduling, performance tracking, user level access, supervisor level, manager level, waiter level, and owner level access. Samba POS provides detailed reports and analytics, giving you insights into your restaurant's performance, popular menu items, and customer preferences. Use this data to make informed decisions and boost your profits. Samba POS mobile app for owners, Metric offers real-time tracking metrics for restaurants. A high-performing restaurant tracking app, Metric for Samba POS is specifically designed to give you access to all the essential performance tracking metrics directly on your smartphone instantly. Don't just take our word for it. Many restaurant owners have praised Samba POS for its reliability, ease of use, and positive impact on their businesses. Need assistance with the software? We are the authorized resellers for Samba POS. Offers 24/7 customer support to help you resolve any issues promptly. Call us for a demo on 99047790 or visit our website sambaposoman.com. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow restaurateurs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech and restaurant-related content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.